Let's get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh.
Listen
carefully
and pay attention.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. As I'm so excited to make this video, I've been longing to make it for you. It is a popular request from my viewers, from my subscribers. It is a popular request that I should do a short Bubu dress, and I decided to do it today. So I'm so excited to do it. So please hit the subscription button if you've not done so, like, share, and please leave your comments down there. Okay, so I'm making this for a client. Yes, but the client is my friend, so I decided to beg her to make the style. So I have my length, the measurements. I just need few measurements, which is shoulder stroke sleeve, okay, stroke sleeve, then bust, hip, okay, sorry, waist, hip, and length. These are the measurements I need. Then the round sleeve that will hug from here, that will hug from here to here, maybe about 6 inches length. So that is what we need, sleeve length through width. Okay, so we got to start. Oh. It can't clean off. I don't want this to confuse you, so don't look at it again, okay? So our length here is 44, and because this fabric stretches like this and like this, I'm gonna do it 44 on the dots, so that it's not going to be longer than what my client requested. So I'm doing it 44 on the dots. Have her waist lies at 17, that is from shoulder to her waist, okay, and her hip lies at 27, yeah, a bit tall. Okay, so these are the marks you need. You don't need armpit because this is sort of together sleeve, but in a different style. So what we need is the waist, the hip, and the length. So I have her shoulder to be 31. That is, everything is 31. The shoulder, that is the shoulder, 31. Then so her hip is at 47. 47 divided by 4 will give us 11.75. Yeah, 11.75. So I'm going to do this on the dots. As you can see, the fabric stretches very well, so no need of allowance, else it will be oversized for my client. So 11.75. You can also use 11.5 so that it will hug her. Let me use 11.75. So I mark. Then down here, because it's gonna be pencil, I'll do it 10.5. It's pencil like this. Hope you are seeing my chalk very well. So, and the neck is 4 inches by 4 inches. That is the front neck, like this, and the back neck should be 4 inches by 2 inches, like this. I'm drafting everything together, so once you see the front, you are seeing the back. I'm not doing it like do the front separate and do the back separate. So this carries everything. You have to stay tuned so that you won't be confused after I am done. Okay, so, and I'm gonna draft it like this. For the sleeve, I'll do it 8 here and curve it in to this place like this. can curve here like this, because there's no angular place in human body or on human body. Because English no be my mate, I beg. Whether in or on, I hope you understand me. There is no curved place in human body. Okay, on human body, this is it. Whichever one, take it. So, and this is gonna be straight. I don't want to cut out anything because it's going to look big, the bubu itself. Okay, I'm done. No, it's cutting. Alright, and what is it for? Ihe nji menye otu ọnụ a ga-akwachi n'elu ebe a mgbe ị ga-akwachi ekịta openata ịghọtago, and mgbe ị ga-akwakwa ebe a openata ịghọta. Anya ka nji menye otu a ga-akwa both sides. Okay, the question she asked whether if here is not big, and I explained to her that when you join here and here, the allowance will be small. You see, it is 8. You take half-inch seam allowance up and half-inch seam allowance down, it will now remain 7, and I will now put the bold band. Okay, so that was her question. So cutting time. Yeah. Okay, viewers, I have some little tip for you today. It's a bonus. You can see this line. Hope you are seeing these lines. Once you want to buy akochi, this is what shows you that it is original. If you don't find this on the English mouth, if this is not the English mouth of your velvet or your suede, it is not maybe not the right one. Let me not say it is fake, but it is not original, because even you that is making the clothes, during the cutting and the sewing, here will be bringing out as in when sewing it, you notice that the hairs of the akoche is on your body, everywhere on your body. It's true. And when you are cutting it, it will be everywhere on your table. So that is bonus for today. Take time to cut the sleeve. The sleeve is about 6 inches and the width is 8 inches. And you know, because my fabric stretches, I'm doing it on the dots, no seam allowance. And 8 means 4. This is 4 inches, mark it. And you can see my distance is not straight. I did it kind of as if I want to cut a line. You know, like this. Can we make it in with the back or the bigger? So that is it. Because here and here is not the same. Here may be 8 inches and here maybe 10 inches. So like this is 8, and I'll have to measure 8 inches. Okay, I'll fold here. So I'm expecting to have like 6.5 or 6 inches remaining. So this is it, like this. Yeah. Okay, cutting time. Quick demonstration. This will enter here, sorry, and I'll go back it. Okay, this will enter here, and once it is on somebody's body, you know, here will now come down, and it's gonna look this way. Yeah, it's gonna look this way. Hey, thank you for watching. I love you.